Hi, I'm Dave from Riva Racing. Today we're going to review our free flow exhaust kit for the all-new 4-stroke Yamaha SuperJet. The free flow exhaust kit replaces the restrictive sound suppression system that's located between your water box and your exhaust outlet. It improves performance by reducing back pressure and has an awesome aggressive sound. The factory sound suppression system consists of this soft rubber hose and this bulky plastic resonator. This is our free flow exhaust kit. It's constructed from sturdy 5-ply high temperature silicone and installs in minutes. Let's take a look at it under the hood. As you can see, the kit really cleans up your engine compartment. We've removed potential failure points. There's only 2 hose clamps now. There's a lot more room to work on your engine, and it looks fantastic. Thank you for watching this product review. Be sure to follow us on social media @Riva Racing for more information and new products for the new Yamaha SuperJet.